Hey everyone, the Doogee V Max LR arrives as the newest and most advanced entry in the brand's rugged flagship lineup, a series that has steadily evolved since 2023. With each generation, Doogee has pushed its outdoor-focused V Max smartphones toward greater durability, intelligence, and professional utility. The V Max LR continues that trajectory, positioning itself as a tool built not just for communication, but for field operations, exploration, and demanding work environments where reliability matters more than aesthetics. The first impression comes from its design, which draws inspiration from military aircraft. Its armor black and battle rust finishes give it an industrial, tactical personality, but the ruggedness goes far deeper than the surface. Doogee reinforces the frame with aluminum alloy, protective edging, and anti-slip textures, all sealed tightly against moisture, dust, grit, and impact. It is a phone meant to be dropped, splashed, and put under pressure, something many rugged devices claim, but the V Max LR backs it with IP68 or IP69K certification and proven drop resistance. One of the defining features of the V Max LR is its integrated 40-meter laser rangefinder. Unlike external accessories or basic software calculators, this hardware tool delivers genuine measurement capabilities with professional-grade precision. Whether capturing distance, area, or volume, it provides readings from as close as 0.08 meters up to 40 meters. The phone also doubles as a light source thanks to its extremely bright dual 1,200 lumen camping LEDs. These are far more powerful than typical smartphone flashlights. Battery endurance is a major highlight, and Doogee has once again leaned into extreme longevity. The massive 20,500 mAh cell ensures multiple days of operation, even under challenging conditions. When charging is needed, 45-watt fast charging restores its enormous capacity in a reasonable amount of time, and the device can act as a power bank thanks to 10-watt reverse charging. Performance is anchored by the Dimensity 7300 chipset, which strikes a balance between efficiency and capability. Paired with Android 15 and onboard Gemini AI features, the phone delivers smooth multitasking, intelligent suggestions, and enhanced productivity tools. The 6.78-inch display with its 120 Hz refresh rate is engineered for outdoor clarity, providing sharp visuals even in bright sunlight. Its 200 megapixels primary camera enables highly detailed shots, and its pairing with an 8 megapixels ultra-wide lens allows users to capture landscapes, construction sites, or large scenes with ease. The 20 megapixels infrared night vision camera expands functionality into complete darkness, enhancing security, wildlife observation, and low-light fieldwork. A 32 megapixels front camera delivers strong clarity for video calls and documentation even in remote environments. Altogether, the Doogee V Max LR is both a communications device and a professional-grade tool set wrapped in a rugged shell. It is designed for people who work or explore far beyond office walls: engineers, hikers, contractors, researchers, and emergency personnel who require more than a standard smartphone can offer. With its advanced durability ratings, high-capacity battery, precision measurement tools, powerful LEDs, and reliable performance hardware, it stands as one of the most versatile, rugged smartphones available today. The Doogee V Max LR is now available worldwide through Doogee's official website and authorized retailers, with limited-time discounts making its debut even more compelling for early buyers. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day, and God bless you.